project. Oh yeah. So, let's have a look then, what we've got going on. The front mudguard's bent out of shape. Indicator, headlight, looks like it's took a bash. Front brake lever. Brakes still have pressure. Or is it cable? No, it's hydraulic. Yeah, well, they're easily replaceable. Not if they're replaceable genuine, but that might not be the direction I'm going with the bike anyway. This could be a nice donor for a calf racer. Yeah, this left hand side of the bike seems to have fared a bit better. Paint's a bit worn out. Parallel twin. Yeah, it turns over, but there's no battery. So, oh, another dent there, look. Paint's starting to come away. And then a rip in the seat. But 18,000 miles on the clock. 2 keys. Genuine. So, not bad. Not bad at all. This might sound stupid, but I'm trying to figure out how to get to the battery on the bike. So after a Google, apparently the helmet lock is also the seat release. Ah, the lever under there, look. Oh. Oh, there you go, pull down. I can see answer this, but appears to be a bit stuck. Ah, there we go. I do need to access the battery, which I think is in there. How I do that? Okay. It just pops on and off. Handy little toolkit. There's the battery. Give that a jump start. See if we can get this running. Need a key. it's to buy battery. I need a Y, ZF, Y, whatever. So as soon as I press the button, it tries to crank. When I had the jump pack on, and the starter motor was just turning the engine over, it wasn't. It ran for a little while, and then for some reason it doesn't want to run anymore. When I give it some throttle, it didn't want to rev. It did not want to rev up. It just wanted to cut out. I really don't know. But that's what these tests are for. I can't decide whether to keep the Honda CB250. I can't decide whether to keep it, original and restore it, or whether to go down the route of like a calf racer style custom bike. I don't know. I'll have to give it some more thought. Yeah, I can't decide whether to restore it back to being an original Honda CB250, or whether, I should do a bit of custom calf racer style bike, which I quite like. So I've been and bought a battery. Pretty sure it's the right one. We'll find out soon enough. Nearly made it all the way back. It's not the first time I've had to do this. Oh, hang on. There's a reserve. Hang on a minute. There is a reserve fuel thing. There we go. Let's see if... bit of choke. Bugger me! I'm pushing it for no reason. speed up, but it goes. What's going on with the speedo though? That speedometer is not accurate. Right, how hot is this? Yep, yeah, that's hot. I left my gloves on the table. Suppose I could pick it up with